How to download music using mobile data on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub, and after that click the storylines, and then click settings and scroll down until you find here app settings, and then scroll down again. Now enable this one, downloading music, and that's it. You can turn it off or on, and then just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.